If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. With the Replace Color command, you can replace a color in your image with another color. To use this command, you create a mask and then adjust the hue and saturation of the selected colors to produce the desired results. First, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Replace Color from the menu bar. In the Replace Color dialog box, choose either the Selection or Image option buttons in the Selection section to view either one in the display window. Check the Localized Color Clusters checkbox to make contiguous, meaning pixels that are touching, selections if desired. Ensure that the Color Picker Tool button is selected in the Selection section, and then click the first color in the image that you want to replace. It will appear in the Color window. To add or remove colors from the selection, click the Add to Sample or Subtract from Sample eyedropper tool buttons, and then click back into the image to adjust the color if needed. Note that the fuzziness slider allows you to choose colors similar to the one you select to fine-tune your selection. After you have completed your selections, then move the hue and/or saturation sliders in the replacement section to change the colors. You can use the lightness slider to adjust the lighting of the image. When you are satisfied with your color replacement, simply click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.